looking for a place to gather with friends and family over stories, coffee, pastries, and hearty meals? Welcome to Park Road Cafe.
Hi, I'm Nicole Tablante. I'm one of the owners of Park Road Cafe. Park Road kasi, since I mentioned before, home baker ako. So, nag-start yun sa bahay, which is located sa Park Road. So, sabi ko, dati kasi actually sweetology ako. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi naman bagay yun kung coffee shop siya or may serve akong ibang food. So, sabi ko, ano bang pinakamalapit na pwede rin? So, Park Road nga kasi doon din naman kami galing. Araw-araw, pag umuwi ako, nakikita ko yung place. Sabi ko, sana someday makapag-open ng ganitong dito sa ganitong lugar kasi ang ganda nga ng puno, ang ganda ng ambience. Paglipat namin, naghanap ako ng site. Tinry ko lang i-reach out yung owner nito. Buti naman na napagbigyan. Nakuha din. We offer international dishes. Mostly specifically sa mga Western dishes like meron kaming mga pastas and then we also have mga salads, mga American style meals din at the same time. So may mga Cajun barbecue ribs, Southern style fried chicken, and then our pastries are mostly American style din. Yung pinaka magiging proud din kami is the quality of the ingredients that we use. Even before, sabi ng mga clients ko na matagal na rin naman nang nag-order sa akin, never daw nagpalit yung ingredients namin, tsaka never daw talaga lasang tinipid yung food namin at tsaka yung mga pastries namin. So, plus the ambience and the staff din. Sobrang friendly ng mga staff namin and we put importance to making you feel like you're just coming home and meeting yung mga relatives mo. Kahit yung mga staff, yun ang always kong deal na. They always have to treat their customers as parang yung mga relatives na umuwi sa kanila. We prioritize nga yung interaction ng mga tao. So may natutuwa kami pag mga families magkakasama, yung mga bata, hindi hawak yung mga tablet nila, talagang nakikipagkwentuhan. Even yung mga friends, pag nagkikita-kita, minsan kasi kahit naman sino, diba, pag nagkikita-kita, phone pa rin ang tingin. Pero this time, na at least yung focus ng tao na pupunta sa paligid nila, sa mga kasama nila. So this coming Christmas season, we're expecting kasi na syempre maganda na yung ambience sa taas, malamig na, mapresko talaga na mahangin talaga sobra sa taas. So we are planning to put an acoustic night. So there would be people playing every weekend. We are located at Greenfield Square, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. We are open Mondays to Sundays. Mondays to Thursdays, we are open 11 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the evening. Then we are also open on the weekends from 11 o'clock in the morning to 11 in the evening. I would like to invite you to come to Park Road Cafe and experience a very unique dining experience. This coming season, we will also be having acoustic nights and other events, and we will be also adding a new Christmas menu. If you have any special events coming up, we are more than happy to help you host your party. We are available for private parties and celebrations.
What started as a simple dream has now become a space for friends, family, and stories to come together. This is Park Road Cafe.